I'd love to share with you, friends, our garlic and shallot fertilizer. It's certified organic, and here's the thing. People always ask, and I don't blame them, how can we grow bigger garlic? So yes, these are questions we ask ourselves as well and have for years. And my beloved partner, Matthew, has been dialing in his kind of custom blend of fertility for garlic so that if you can put it on just before you plant, so you're incorporating it into the soil, ideally with an inch or 3 of compost, and it really helps the garlic focus on root development in fall and shoot development in spring, offering nutrients when the soil is coldest, when there's the least amount of available nutrients, and then helping the plant with the slow release nutrients dive back into bulb development once it's summer again. So yes, this is something that Matthew has been working on for years, and I'm so grateful for him. And 95% of our garlic crop is freaking massive and seed stock grade. And this is elephant garlic, PS, by the way. We have many other varieties and we love to share it with you. So certainly if you want to grow bigger garlic, don't hold back. Get the biggest, nicest organic seed stock you can find. But then the soil that you put it in goes a long way. Certainly get a soil test. Make sure that your soil is good to begin with. Quality pH, 6.2 to 6.4. And then from there, don't skimp on the compost. 1 to 3 inches. We go for 3. But then this bag of fertilizer will go a long way. And we have 1 pound bags that are perfect for 1 pound of garlic. And we also have 3 pound bags, so you can not mess around if you're growing larger quantities. And yeah, there you have it, friends. I'm so delighted to share this with you. And it's a combination of all kinds of things, vegetable, animal, mineral. It has feather meal, blood meal, bone meal, kelp meal, all kinds of alfalfa meal, all kinds of things. So look for the full ingredients list on our website, and we're not proprietary at all about anything. So don't hesitate to ask us for the proportions. We're delighted to share that with you too. But we have gone to great lengths to source all of these things organically, and we literally put this by the many hundreds of pounds on our farm every year. And I can't wait for you to harvest glorious garlic as well.